Northern Line's faster, I think. Oh well, we're gonna be late anyway.
Anyway, just staying over, so.
Yeah, your mum won't mind.
After all, you are her grandson.
Girls call me Trigger, cause I make her body burn. So, for that child was kidnapped or something. The way the child was covered up. Oh, look at that magic trick saying that. Let's see, it went, oh look, feds, what is feds do? What these feds do?
What, that's fed, yeah?
Yeah, it's feds still. Just giving like, something to something. Someone must have done something. London Victoria. Writing's long still. Just call me Trigger, cause I make the body burn. Let me see my face.